living the kind of vagabond, free spirit lifestyle for me, it just evolved. I found a way to keep life simple. When you have those really profound experiences and you don't let them pass you by, I think that's really where you get the opportunity to appreciate and learn about life. It made me go, okay, this is what I need to do. Those moments of solitude or glimpses of perfection. Being ready for that, I don't think you could ever really prepare for those experiences, but you can definitely discover yourself when you're in them.